What is up, internet? It's Michael here from MotionBox, and in today's video, I want to share with you guys how I plan to increase my conversions using Apollo.io with MotionBox. I built a tool that I think could be useful for all, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to use it today. So come check this out. So in this tool, Apollo.io, not sure if you're familiar with it. It's an amazing tool. Highly recommend it. No way, in any way, shape, or form am I affiliated with Apollo. I just found out about it the other day, but they do have a nice API, and I was able to manage to integrate the MotionBox video rendering SDK with the Apollo API, which means that we can render a personalized video for every single one of these users that we've scraped from LinkedIn, essentially. And so I've created a list for the digital agency owners that I want to actually reach out to. And from this list, I'm able to actually insert the list ID into the program, the tool that I'm actually talking about today. It's a bit techy in a sense, but it can actually be something that we turn into a no-code tool if there's enough interest with it. But for today, I'm just going to share with you how it works really quickly. I don't want to take too much of your time. I just want to kind of get the idea going. And so from this list, I'm able to actually build out a sequence. And so here's the sequence. Let me just give you a quick introduction into what that email would look like. So here is Woes. I thought this was a fun name, so I wanted to use this for the demo. Woes actually has a personalized video that was automatically generated using the MotionBox SDK. I didn't have to do anything. I just built my base template in MotionBox. As you can see, it's Oscar. I have a placeholder for an avatar, and then a bunch of call to actions, or I can add as many call to actions as I want. I can add my logo. I can add a personalized image of me just saying hi, and that's it. And then I'm able to actually go through the list of people in Apollo, and from there, take whatever data I can and insert it in that video. And I can do this all with the press of a button, which is nice. Here's what it looks like when the actual email hits the inbox. This is actually for Zlatko. I thought that was also another fun name. But basically the idea is when a user gets the email, they're going to see that it was meant for them, and they're going to appreciate that hypothetically. But you can imagine that people like this type of stuff, and it's going to increase the conversion rate because they know that you're actually serious about it. And also, this template is kind of basic. You can do a lot of really interesting things here. You can actually create a lot more call to actions and stuff to be able to entice the users, maybe even something that is going to really resonate with them. You can get real creative with this. But this is the idea is it's a GIF or GIF, however you say it. I don't want to patronize anyone or alienate anyone. Look, I mean, it's something that can really increase the visibility here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use the script that I wrote, and we're not going to open movies. We're going to use yarn start, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to fire up 25 video rendering jobs all at once. And as you can see, the status is 0 for all 25, and my list is about 400 people. So with the Apollo API, they can only give you 25 at a time. So 4 times running this, you're already at 100 videos, which is really nice. And what happens with this tool is you actually are going to be able to render 25 videos at a time because of Apollo's limitations. The MotionBox limitations are pretty much infinite. You can render as many videos as you like in parallel. But the nice thing is that 25 is quarter of 100. Just run this 4 times. You get a status update. And what it's going to do is it's going to re-update the Apollo database with the new custom field that I've set, which is the GIF URL. And so from there, once we reinsert it, once these are all done, which not all of them are going to succeed. Sometimes they'll fail. You just rerun it. No big deal. But we can see it's at 80% success rate, maybe 90% success rate here. And so when I go back over to, let's say this profile, for instance, Gabriella. So if I copy this URL, I can go to Gabriella's profile, and you're going to see it automatically added this GIF URL that was generated by MotionBox for Gabriella. So if I go take a look at this video, you can see, nice to meet you, Gabriella. This is a personalized video for Gabriella, and if I go to my email template and I see what it's going to look like for Gabriella, you can see it's the video that was just generated in real time, as you could see just a second ago. So there's Gabriella's message, and she's going to get a personalized message with a personalized video. So this is sort of the idea of what this tool can do. I think it's just sort of like an idea, but there's a lot of really cool things that you can do with it. I'm going to run this, I'm going to put it to the test, and I'm going to see if this actually does increase the conversion rate. I believe it will, because I mean, anything that I can do to stand out and make people feel special and make them feel like, you know, went through time and effort to actually get that video into their inbox, I think it's gonna have them appreciate the message a lot more and take you more seriously. And so that's really all I wanted to share with you guys today. Nothing crazy, not even gonna make this video too fancy. Just gonna keep it raw. I'm using OBS just to transition between the screens, and I just want to share with you guys what I've been working on. I'm not a video person, an expert getting in front of the camera, but I love building MotionBox, and I love sharing with what I'm working on with you guys, and hopefully it adds some value into your everyday lives. And if you're looking forward to more of these tips, please subscribe and like this video. Cheers.